Ever thought about the magic in a cup of clove tea? This enchanting brew, steeped in history and culture, is a treasure trove of health benefits. It's an alluring concoction, born from the exotic and fragrant clove buds, setting the stage for an extraordinary wellness journey. The unique flavors and health benefits make the clove tea more than just a beverage. It's a tale of tradition, health and surprises, all infused in a soothing warm cup. So gear up to be enlightened, captivated, and maybe even astonished. Join us as we explore the 13 reasons why clove tea should be your next favorite drink. Before we continue, kindly subscribe to our channel, like and comment for more content. Firstly, clove tea is a powerhouse of health benefits. Let's take a moment to unpack this. Take antioxidants, for instance. These are compounds that help protect our bodies from damage caused by harmful molecules known as free radicals. Clove tea is packed with these health-boosting antioxidants. Drinking this tea can help fortify your body's defenses, keeping you healthier and more resilient against a range of diseases. Now let's talk digestion. We've all had those days, haven't we? When our stomachs just don't seem to be on our side. Well, clove tea might be the answer. It's been known to aid digestion, helping soothe upset stomachs and even potentially relieving symptoms of conditions like IBS, gastritis, and ulcers. So the next time your tummy is throwing a tantrum, consider reaching for a comforting cup of clove tea. Moving on, let's address inflammation. It's a natural response of our bodies to injury or infection, but sometimes it can get out of hand. Chronic inflammation can lead to a variety of health issues, including heart disease and cancer. Clove tea, with its potent anti-inflammatory properties, can help keep this in check. Regularly sipping on this tea may help reduce inflammation in your body, promoting overall health and well-being. Lastly, for this segment, let's delve into the immune system. When it comes to staying healthy, a robust immune system is our best defense. It's what shields us from the myriad of germs we encounter each day. Guess what? Clove tea can give your immune system a real boost. It's rich in vitamin C and other essential nutrients that can help bolster your body's defenses, making it better equipped to ward off infections and illnesses. But that's not all. There's more to this wonder beverage than meets the eye. So stay tuned as we continue our journey into the remarkable world of clove tea. Beyond health, clove tea also impacts our lifestyle and overall wellness. As we continue our journey through the myriad benefits of clove tea, we now turn our attention to how this aromatic brew can enhance our lifestyle and overall sense of wellness. First up, let's talk about tranquility. In a world that's always on the go, finding moments of calm can sometimes feel like a luxury. This is where clove tea shines. With its soothing aroma and warm, spicy flavor, clove tea acts as a natural stress buster, helping to relax both your body and mind. Imagine sipping on a cup of clove tea after a long day, allowing the peacefulness to wash over you, melting away the stresses of the day. Ah, bliss! Next, we dive into the world of weight management. For those seeking a natural ally in their weight loss journey, clove tea may just be the answer. It aids in improving metabolism, which in turn helps in weight management. So while you're enjoying that delicious cup of clove tea, you're also giving your body a helpful nudge towards maintaining a healthy weight. Moving on, clove tea is also a boon for skin health. Its antioxidant properties help to fight against free radicals, protecting your skin from damage and premature aging. So not only does clove tea help you feel good, it also helps you look good. Lastly, the detoxification benefits of clove tea cannot be overstated. It helps cleanse the body of toxins, promoting better liver health and overall body function. Just think of it as your body's own little cleaning service, working to keep you in tip-top shape. Impressive, isn't it? But wait, we are not done yet. Scene script. Clove tea reserves some surprises too. You might already be aware of the more common benefits of clove tea, like its antioxidant properties or its ability to soothe an upset stomach. But let's explore some of the lesser-known advantages that aren't typically on the tip of everyone's tongue. First off, let's talk about bones. Yes, you heard that right. Bones. Clove tea is rich in eugenol, a compound that's been shown to help maintain bone density. So while you're sipping on that warm, aromatic cup of clove tea, you could be doing your skeleton a solid favor. Next up, we have respiratory health. Whether it's a common cold or a full-blown flu, a cup of clove tea can work wonders. The eugenol in clove also acts as an expectorant, helping to loosen phlegm in the throat and ease congestion. So, the next time you're feeling a little under the weather, remember that a cup of clove tea might just be the comforting remedy you need. Now, let's talk about blood sugar. Studies have suggested that clove tea can help regulate blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for those who are pre-diabetic or managing diabetes, as part of a balanced diet and lifestyle, of course. Last, but certainly not least, is oral health. Clove tea's antimicrobial properties can help keep your mouth healthy by fighting off bacteria, reducing inflammation, and even freshening your breath. So not only does clove tea taste great, but it could also contribute to a healthier, happier smile. As you can see, the benefits of clove tea go far beyond the basics. From your bones to your breath, every sip brings a wealth of wellness. However, there's one more reason that might just make you a clove tea convert. The 13th reason is indeed a special one. Beyond the myriad health benefits, the unique allure of clove tea lies in its ability to create a soothing and relaxing ritual. Picture this: a long day has drawn to a close, and you're seeking a moment of calm. You reach for the clove tea. As you steep the cloves, the air fills with their warm, spicy scent, immediately evoking a sense of comfort and tranquility. You cradle the warm cup in your hands, feeling the gentle heat seep into your skin. As you take the first sip, the rich aromatic flavors dance on your tongue, a sensory experience that engages and delights. This is not just a drink, it's a moment to pause, to breathe, to experience. Clove tea nourishes not just your body, but also your mind and spirit. It's an invitation to slow down, to reconnect with yourself and the world around you. Now that's a cup of tea with a difference, isn't it? So there you have it, 13 compelling reasons to drink clove tea. From the first cup to the last, clove tea is a treasure trove of health benefits. Let's take a moment to revisit those 13 reasons we've just explored. Those 13 reasons that make clove tea such a remarkable addition to your daily routine. We've learned about the antioxidants, those microscopic warriors that fight against cell damage. We've discovered the anti-inflammatory properties, easing your body's aches and pains. We've seen how clove tea can enhance digestion, aid in weight loss, and even improve skin health, giving you that much desired glow. We've also delved into the mental benefits, such as stress relief and improved cognitive function. The magic of clove tea extends to memory enhancement and mood upliftment, helping you navigate life's challenges with a clearer mind and a lighter heart. But the benefits of clove tea don't stop there. We've unearthed lesser-known benefits, like its potential to regulate blood sugar levels, making it an ally for those managing diabetes. We've seen how it can improve liver health, support the immune system, and even contribute to bone health. And let's not forget the magic of clove tea, the warmth it brings to your body, the comfort it provides to your soul. This humble beverage is more than just a drink. It's a ritual of wellness, a testament to the power of nature, a reminder that health and happiness can be found in the simplest of things. So why not incorporate clove tea into your daily routine? It's a small step, but one that can lead to significant changes. Whether you're a health enthusiast or someone simply looking for ways to enhance your well-being, clove tea offers a myriad of benefits that can contribute to a healthier, happier you. As we wrap up our exploration of clove tea, let's remember that health is not just about the absence of illness. It's about the presence of wellness, the balance of mind, body, and soul. It's about making choices that nourish us, that energize us, that make us feel good inside and out. And sometimes those choices can be as simple as brewing a cup of clove tea. Why not give clove tea a try and experience these benefits for yourself? Remember, your health is your wealth. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.